Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp. Follow the steps. First, go to the App Store on your mobile device if you're using an iPhone, or go to the Google Play Store for an Android device. And in the search bar at the top of the Google Play, search WhatsApp. And once you have found the WhatsApp, tap on the install to start the download process. And after the download is complete, tap on the open button to launch the WhatsApp and select the language to get started. And you can verify your phone number, and when you open the WhatsApp for the first time, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number, and you have to enter your phone number and follow the verification process. And once your phone number is verified, you can set up your profile by adding a profile picture and entering your name. And after setting up your profile, you can start using WhatsApp to send messages, make voice and video calls, and share media with your contacts. That's it, guys. You have successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp on your mobile device. If you have any further questions, you can comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.